Welcome, welcome. This is the unboxing of a Maniology kit. This is the packaging, and I cut it open beforehand just for the ease of taking it out with one hand. So let's get started. Alright, so this is just the order form. The packing slip. So this one is the Winter Glee nail stamping starter kit. Plates, polishes, scraper, stamper, pomo offer. Okay, so that is it. Beautiful packaging. Winter Glee. I love the blue on it. It's just a very dark blue, very wintry. Okay, so it just has a sticker right here that I'm going to take off. Maybe with one hand. There we go. Can't talk and take off stickers at the same time. And then, I guess before we open it, this is the back. Just little how-to. Maniology. They used to be, I believe it was Monster Bundle or Bundle Monster. I remember seeing them on Amazon a lot. And then they just rebranded sometime recently. Okay. So opening the box. So it starts out with the first two plates. So in here we have the Maniology M041. Beautiful plate. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. Ooh, I love those trees. That mistletoe at the bottom is very pretty. Let's see, what does that say at the top? Let's see, I can't read it with the camera. Oh, it says sweater weather. This one right here. Little candy cane there. There we go. Now you can kind of see it. Sweater weather. Beautiful trees, ornaments, stars. I don't feel like this is just solely for Christmas, but oh, that Santa's really cute. I love that. Okay. Let's move on to the next plate. Okay, so this one's the Maniology M042. This one is a little more like New Year's. There we go. Got fireworks there. Looks like little champagne bubbles. More fireworks and explosions. And then they have these cute numbers on here. Confetti, rockets. Oh, those are adorable. Can't get it to focus. Let's see if I move it like this. There we go. Little clock at the top. This one's very fireworky, and I could see myself using this for the 4th of July as well. So very pretty. And then it also has some stamping directions, a little stamping guide in here. And then on the inside, it just kind of shows you how to take care of your stamper and your plates. So it does recommend washing them with dish soap and warm water. That's for your stamper. The nail polish does dry out quicker. It recommends using acetone for the plates, but not the actual stamper. So that's just a little bit right there, and then kind of the same instructions on this little pamphlet as on the back of the box. And then this one came with kind of a limited edition scraper and stamper set. So it's this cute little snowflakes and trees. And then same with the stamper here. Holy Hannah, that is. And they're tight. Okay. So this one's a little bit different from the rectangle that they have. The rectangle goes all the way through. This does not. Let's see if I can. Oh, there we go. Not too hard. Then nice. Oh, nice. Actually, this one's kind of sticky. So that's super cute. I love the size, and then you can see through it so you can see where you're putting your stamps. And I'll show you why that can be beneficial later. And then the last two items in this box are the polishes. They are beautiful. So this one is a nice gold color. Get it to focus for you guys. There we go. This one is It's Lit B262. Then I love the swatches on the top so you can see what it'll look like on top of those two colors. So I'll do that with you guys. So there's that one. Set that aside. There we go. And this one is just a very deep blue. This one is Blizzard. It's actually a lot darker in person than it is on camera. Cute little swatch me on top. So that is the first part. So again, this is the Winter Glee Stamping Starter Kit from Maniology. And let's go ahead and get stamping.